The recent tinkering on my RX-7 got me thinking. It's been about 5 or 6 years since I drove an LS car regularly. I also thought about in the beginning how much the purists would try to talk people out of doing what they wanted to their own car. Well, get out of here. I'll do what I want. And I did. More than once. Just buy a Corvette. Well, I decided to do that too. Finally. And the C5 has similar features of an RX-7 FD. This unit came with a few lights on. Had to get the proper Corvette owner attire. Something is missing. Changing plugs, wires, and oil for no reason whatsoever. I read it's a common issue for the shifter to be this sloppy. It's pretty much stock. Corsa exhaust. Lowered a little. Drilled and slotted brakes. Almost 150,000 miles. I have a few ports on order.
But this does put a smile on my face.